Hello students, welcome back to our channel Aceyourlearning with Divya. Students, in today's video we will understand large numbers in practice, which means application of large numbers. In short, where and why do we use these large numbers? For example, our country's population. Not only our country's population will be in larger numbers, also the city's population will be in larger numbers, right? Or you go to any library and ask how many books were sold in the last year, you will get the number in thousands, lakhs, because every day they will be selling 100 to 1000 books. So in 1 year it will be more than thousands or lakhs, right? So it is important to understand and learn larger numbers to do day-to-day activities. Look here, here is a book. If I ask you to measure this book and tell me it's about 9, will you tell me as 9? No. If you tell me as 9, I will not understand the value, right? So you will have to tell me as 9 centimeter. What is this centimeter? Centimeter is a unit to measure the length. So we need to understand the units of length to measure the things. So in today's class, we will understand the units of length and weight. If we have to measure a book, we measure in centimeters. And if we have to find the thickness of lead, we will measure in millimeter. If we have to find the length of a room, then we will measure in meters. If we have to find the distance between two cities, we measure in kilometer, right? The standard unit of measuring length is meter. Meter scale is the standard unit for measuring length. The smallest unit of measuring length is millimeter. Can you see the lines, small lines between 0 to 1? Yes. There will be 10 lines and it is called as millimeter. Millimeter. So here 10 millimeters become 1 centimeter. So the smallest unit of measuring length is millimeter. Centimeter is bigger unit than millimeter. 1 centimeter is not equal to 1 millimeter, right? 1 millimeter means only this much. And 1 centimeter is this much. So 1 millimeter is not equal to 1 centimeter. That means smallest unit of measuring length is millimeter. Centimeter is bigger unit than millimeter. Like this, when you have 100 centimeters as one length, it is called meter. 100 centimeters is equal to meters. So, meter is bigger unit than centimeter. Millimeter is the smallest unit. Next bigger unit is centimeter. Next bigger unit is meter. Because 100 centimeters become 1 meter. And the biggest is the unit of kilometer, because 1000 meters becomes 1 kilometer. Next, let us understand to convert the units of length. Means from one unit to another unit, from centimeter to meter, meter to centimeter, like that we can convert the units of length. First, let us convert from centimeter to millimeter. As we learned, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Here, centimeter is bigger, right? And we have to convert from centimeter to millimeter, means from bigger unit to smaller unit. So, whenever we have to convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, we will have to multiply. Multiply by 10, because 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters, right? We know, we understood from 0 to 1 is 10 millimeters. 10 millimeter is nothing but 1 centimeter. Can you tell me 2 centimeter equals how many millimeters? Yes, 10 plus 10 will be 20. So 20 millimeter is equal to 2 centimeter. 30 millimeter is equal to 3 centimeter, right? So here convert 14 centimeter into millimeters. We know here centimeter is bigger unit and millimeter is smaller unit. So we'll have to multiply. Here 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So 14 centimeters equals 14 into 10 millimeter. 10 millimeter. So when you multiply 14 into 10, it is 140. So 14 centimeter is equal to 140 millimeters. The same way, if you have to convert from millimeter to centimeter, what you have to do? Millimeter is the smaller unit, right? And you have to convert it into bigger unit. So we'll have to divide. So 140 millimeter is equal to 140 divided by 10. So when you divide 140 divided by 10, you will get the answer as 14. So 14 centimeter. 10 one time is 10. Yes, 10 14 times is 140. So 14 centimeter. Like this, we can convert from centimeter to millimeter and from millimeter to centimeter. Understand here, whenever you have to convert from smaller unit to bigger unit, you will have to divide, and when you have to convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, you will have to multiply. Next, convert meter into centimeter. Again, meter is bigger unit than centimeter, so it is from big to small, so we'll have to multiply. Multiply by which number? Yes, 100 centimeter equals 1 meter, right? So here 100 centimeters becomes 1 meter. Here we need to convert 7 meter into centimeter. So here meter is bigger unit, centimeter is smaller unit. So we'll have to multiply. Multiply by what? 100, because 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So 7 meter equals 7 into 100 centimeter. What is 7 into 100? 700. So 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. Here we'll have to convert meter into millimeter. Meter is bigger unit and the smallest unit is millimeter, right? So from big to small, we'll have to multiply. Here first what we have to do, we have to convert meter into centimeter and then to millimeter. Yes, so to convert meter into centimeter, what we have to do? 1 meter into millimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1 into 100 centimeter, because 1 meter equals 100 centimeter, right? So we will get the answer as 100 centimeter. 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeter. So now we have 100 centimeter which has to be converted into millimeter, right? So 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter, right? So 100 into 10 we'll have to do, correct? 100 centimeter we have, 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter into 10 millimeter is equal to 1000 millimeter, which means 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Here first you have to convert meter to centimeter. When we converted 1 meter into centimeter, we'll get as answer as 100 centimeter. When you convert 100 centimeter into millimeter, we'll get the answer as 1000. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Next, convert kilometer into meter. Again, kilometer is bigger unit, meter is smaller unit. When you have to convert from bigger unit to smaller unit, you will have to multiply. Now, how many meters is equal to 1 kilometer? Yes, 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is nothing but 1000 meters, right? So, convert 7 kilometer into meter. 7 kilometer is equal to 7 kilometer into 1000 kilometers, which is equal to 7000 meters. Now, if you have to convert 7000 meters into kilometers, what you have to do? Yes, you will have to divide by 1000. 7000 meter divided by 1000 meter. If you do, you will get the kilometer. 1000 one time is 1000 and 1000 seven times is 7000. So 7 kilometer. So whenever you have to convert from kilometer to meter, you will have to multiply. And whenever you have to convert from meter to kilometer, you will have to divide. Big to small, multiply. Small to big, divide. Students, I hope you have understood to convert the length from one unit to another unit. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.